Do you have a very small space that you need to organize with lots and lots of stuff? Today I'm going to show you my Operation Christmas Child small storage area where I'm putting all my shoeboxes together this year. Welcome, I'm Michelle, and this is my channel, Strawberry. All right, so let's go ahead and start looking at this space. So I recently had to change all of my space, so I decided to kind of organize and on a budget. So this cabinet here, this wood cabinet, was an old radio cabinet that my grandfather took the radio pieces out and put some shelves in it. And I went to Dollar Tree to grab some of their bins. And I had measured first, so I knew I wanted this size bin. And my Dollar Tree did not have the colors that I wanted. I wanted, like, you know, the pretty sage green or something, or even the whites. And my Dollar Tree didn't have them, but they had these red ones. And I know they look kind of orange, but they're supposed to be red for Valentine's Day. And they say love always on the side. And I thought that was fun. Then I went to a second Dollar Tree and I found just a couple white ones that I could throw in there. And then these clips here are chalkboard clips from Dollar Tree that I have written on. So in this cabinet we have toothbrushes and hygiene and hair and blankets and girl socks and boy socks and underwear and accessories and notepads. And the beauty of this is, let's say I pack all of my blankets and I have no more blankets, then I can change this out for whatever I do have more of. Now I have these cheap little plastic drawer things. This one has my supplies like labels and a Sharpie and stuff, and some school supplies and some hair accessories. We have t-shirts that are ready to DIY and put some pretty cute and pretty things on top of them, so it'll be more special. We've got school supplies, and we've got some small bags that I can put other things in. Yes, it's a box of pencil sharpeners. I think I got 800 pencil sharpeners on Amazon. It was quite a deal. Over here, I have a drawer that has water bottles and cups in it. And these are just black paper that I got out of my scrapbooking. And as you can see, just taped them on, but wrote on them with the chalk writer as well. I've got pencil packs that are ready to go. And I have sports type equipment. This whole plastic thing is for girls, 2 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14. And this one is for boys, 2 to 4. And right now this says 5 to 14 because I'm not sure exactly which age. And I believe this bottom drawer is empty, which is a good thing because I've been doing a lot of shopping lately and I'm going to need some more space. Up above, see, this is just the back of this tiny little guest room that is actually a little sunroom. But up here I have some stuffed animals that I got on Christmas clearance. And over here is more stuffed animals. And I just recently, oh, sorry about the shadows, these are pretty bad, got a bunch of dolls. The Hair Amazing dolls were on sale, as well as the Encanto dolls. So I have a bucket of dolls here ready to go for my girl boxes. Now, if we turn around the other way, we have this shelf, which again has the red and white bins from Dollar Tree, all ready to go. So we have kit supplies. So this is where I put things that I'm going to use to make into like art kits or craft kits, or you know, even like putting marbles in a bag. Stickers right now, that will probably change soon. This one is containers to use for kits. Like I got these little rainbow Easter eggs last year at Easter. Small toys, like those little Rubik's Cubes. Art. We've got paints and crayons and things. These are crafts that are already ready to go. In this big box right now, I have empty pencil packs that I can fill. In this box, I have small, itsy bitsy little stuffy type things, just in case I need something. Here I have bags and backpacks. There's actually quite a few in there because I just got a pack of like 50 of these pink backpacks. That was really a deal too on Amazon. And here are little toys that are more like party favors. These are definitely not wow items, but these are little things that I can stick in a shoebox so that it'll have more toys and just feel a little bit more fun. Here's another thing of small toys. These aren't necessarily quite as party favor-ish. They're just small for the most part. And this is a box of cars. So we've got like Hot Wheels and stuff in here ready to go. And then down here I have my paper supplies. So this box has some coloring books. I found, let's see, no, not these, hold on. I've got some whiteboards and some play packs, some notebook paper ready to go into packs. I found these coloring books at Dollar General last week on 70% Christmas clearance, and so I got a whole box of Christmas coloring books. Love that. I have spiral notebooks. I have more coloring books. I have these plastic folders that I can put notebook paper in or something. And I do have some actual books here as well for the children to read. So this is my teeny tiny spot that I'm using for Operation Christmas Child this year because we're doing some remodeling and I just can't really use the room that I was using last year because we're having to put other stuff in it. So I have this little teeny tiny spot. Wish me luck because it's still January and almost everything's full. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And God bless you. Toodles.